Bonjour et bienvenue à I2F. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec notre cours de français. Today we are going further to the lesson 3, la leçon 3 de la deuxième unité de votre niveau. Et aussi, comme vous savez déjà, like you all know, these are the goals we have to achieve in this unit. And of course, we have learned the numbers, we have learned prepositions of places. And today we're going to be learning how to ask questions and how to respond to questions. In French, there are few ways, different ways of asking questions actually. And we will be going to see how and what is needed to be considered. Now, first things first, let's look at this dialogue. Nous avons deux personnes, nous avons Michel et nous avons Pierre. Now the consigne, that is the instruction is, the heading is, Pierre et Michel font connaissance. Font connaissance. So the font here is from the verb faire. Faire connaissance. Faire connaissance means to meet oneself. So we have Michel et Pierre font connaissance. Now, Michel says, bonjour monsieur, they are meeting themselves for the first time. Bonjour monsieur, et Pierre says, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous means how are you? It's the same thing as saying comment ça va. You can say comment ça va, you can say comment tu vas, if you want. Comment tu vas? Comment tu vas? Now in French, there you can bring the verb before the pronoun. You can say comment vas-tu? They mean the same thing. They mean the same thing. And comment allez-vous will also mean comment vous allez. Will also be comment vous allez. Comment vous allez. If you look at this is tu and this is va. This is aller and this is vous. Now this tu is the vous here. This va is the vous form of aller. So they mean the same thing. Comment tu vas, comment vas-tu, comment allez-vous, or comment vous allez. It now says, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, et vous? Je vais bien, et vous? Then Pierre said, pas mal du tout. Pas mal du tout means, oh, not bad at all. Then he then went ahead to say, est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Est-ce que means, now let me break this down. Est-ce que this here is the same thing as this. So if this is it is, then this is it. This que here means that. It now means is it that? Est-ce que vous travaillez ici? Est-ce que vous travaillez? Is it that you work here? Grammatically means do you work here? Then Pierre said, oui, je suis stagiaire ici. Je fais mon stage de 6 mois. Et vous? Je suis stagiaire. Stagiaire means an intern. An intern. So, je fais mon stage means I'm doing my internship here. My 6 months internship here. Et vous? And you? They said, non, je suis ici voir une amie. Means I am here to see a friend. I am here to see a friend. Et Pierre said, d'accord. Alors, où est-ce que vous travaillez? Where is it that you work? Where do you work? Then the lady now said, je ne travaille pas ici, je suis femme d'affaires. Je ne travaille pas ici, je suis femme d'affaires. Femme d'affaires means businesswoman. I'm a businesswoman. I do not work here. Then Pierre said, c'est bon alors. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Means, oh, I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. The lady said, merci. Enchanté. Now, if you look at it here, we have question mark here. We have question mark here. If you look at this very well, again, we have SQ here to ask our question, but there was no SQ here. Now, those are the different ways where how we can ask questions in French. Now, this SQ, using SQ and not using SQ, we're going to see in the next slide how we can use them and why we can use them or why we cannot use them. Let's proceed further. Now, if you look at this here, we have poser des questions par intonation. And the second one, poser des questions avec est-ce que. Now, these are two different things. Of course, they mean the same thing, but the intonation is quite different in French. Now, for instance, we have poser des questions par intonation. Normalement, quand vous posez des questions, l'intonation à utiliser montre déjà que vous posez des questions. This means that when you're asking questions, the intonation at which you're asking the question actually shows that you are asking the question. Now, for instance, I'm saying, this is comment ça va? And I'm saying, ça va. I can say, vous chantez le rock. Now, the intonation, vous chantez le rock, and I'm saying, vous chantez le rock. Now, one is a statement and one is a question. One is a statement and one is a question. So the intonation has actually differentiates them. Oh, vous chantez le rock. Vous chantez le rock. So that's actually how to ask questions with intonation, to differentiate when we're asking questions and when we are making a statement. However, in the case of asking questions with SQ, it's quite different. Now, the Frenchman believes that SQ itself introduces a question. So when you're using SQ to ask a question, you do not need that intonation again to express it as a question. For instance, I'm saying, est-ce que vous chantez le rock? Now, even though I have a question mark here, I have not, because I have used SQ that introduces the question, I have not used the intonation to show that I'm asking the question. Like, oh, est-ce que vous chantez le rock? It sounds like a statement, but because I have used SQ here, it actually makes it a question. So when you're speaking French and you want to ask questions with SQ, you may, but you do not necessarily need to add the intonation again. Secondly, SQ is used to ask questions in a polite form. SQ is used to ask questions in a polite form. For example, I'm talking to somebody I'm not familiar with and I want to make a request. I can say, est-ce que vous something something. Oh, est-ce que vous connaissez est-ce que vous connaissez un bon restaurant? Est-ce que vous connaissez un bon restaurant? Est-ce que vous connaissez un bon restaurant? Now, I have not added this intonation here, but imaginez que I do not have this SQ. So, vous connaissez un bon restaurant? So that's just the difference between asking the questions with the intonation and asking a question with SQ. And asking a question with SQ. So please, we will need to take note of this. Though, as we proceed further in French, we're going to be able to apply all these little rules in French. So let's proceed then to how to respond to questions.